Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today's video is very important for all the principals and teachers out there because as you are aware that CBSE has introduced parenting calendar as a structured initiative to strengthen parent-school partnership and foster holistic development of students. To support this initiative, CBSE is organizing a series of orientation webinars aimed at empowering principals and head of school with insight, strategies, and best practices for the effective implementation of parenting calendar activity within school system. In this regard, CBSE is going to organize orientation program on topic enhancing parental engagement parenting workshop. Now let us see in detail about this program. So this program is scheduled on 4th June 2025. Timing is 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Who all can participate in this training program? Principal, head of school and teachers. Now let us see expert panel for this program. First is Anuradha Joshi, Principal Sardar Patel Vidyalaya Delhi. Second, Manju Arif, Principal DPS Bangalore. Third, Dr. Nivedita Ganguly, Principal DAV International School, Ahmedabad. Now let us see key topic for this webinar. Importance and need for parenting workshop. Conducting workshop for parents to address age-specific academic, social, emotional, and digital challenges faced by students. Providing parents with practical strategies to support their children at home, and building strong parent engagement in a school with regular focused workshop. Now let us see how to participate in this orientation program. So this is the Webex link. You need to click on this link and you can join this webinar. This link is given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. If you are joining this through mobile, you should have Webex app. Otherwise, through laptop if you are joining, then you can join it through Google Chrome. Now, few important points regarding this webinar. All concerned are encouraged to join the session live on Webex. Participation will be limited to 1000 participation based on first come first serve basis. So try to join it before 11:30 only because only 1000 seats are available. And feedback form link will be shared at the end of webinar in Webex chat only. So make sure you fill that feedback form before leaving the meeting. Certificate of participation will be awarded to those principals who submit the session feedback form within 24 hours of live session conclusion. Means you need to submit the feedback form within 24 hours. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.